In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Airtable account. If you're brand new to Airtable, think of it as a flexible spreadsheet meets database tool that helps you organize projects, content, inventories, or just about anything you want to track. We'll keep this simple and make sure you're set up quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Airtable website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up for Free button. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click that and you'll land on the sign up screen. On this screen, you'll see several ways to create your account. Choose the option that fits how you work. If you select Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to pick your Google account and grant permissions. This is convenient if you like using one login for multiple tools. If you prefer Apple, choose Continue with Apple. You can decide whether to share or hide your email through Apple's privacy options. Either way, just follow the standard Apple prompts until you're returned to Airtable. If your company uses single sign-on, choose the single sign-on option. You'll be redirected to your organization's usual login page. Sign in the same way you do for other work apps, and once authentication completes, you'll be brought back to Airtable with your new account ready. If you'd rather use your work email directly, select the email option and enter your address. Airtable will send a verification message to your inbox. Open that email and click the verification link to confirm it's really you. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, refresh your inbox, check your spam or promotions folders, and make sure you typed your email correctly. When you click the link, your browser should take you back to Airtable to finish any brief on-screen prompts. Keep that tab open during this process to avoid starting over. That's all there is to it. Once your email is verified or your chosen sign-in method is complete, your Airtable account is created. You'll be signed in and ready to explore templates, create your first base, and start organizing. A quick tip: if you plan to collaborate with teammates, it's best to sign up using the same domain or login method your team uses. That makes sharing and permissions much smoother. And if you ever get stuck during verification, try a different browser, clear your cache, or use a private window to rule out extension conflicts. You're now set up with Airtable and ready to build. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your work the smarter way.